Oh my god, guys, I'm dying. I'm actually dead. This is my deathbed. Death has called and it's my time. What's up, DIY babes, and happy Thursday and happy Coachella! Oh my gosh, I just got to Palm Springs. I am at Coachella with Pura Vida, and oh my gosh, I feel like this is Tarte in Hawaii all over again, but Palm Springs and Coachella version because there is so much cute stuff everywhere, and I'm so excited to show you. I've got my laurDIY pack, and again, I'm pretty sure there's still bracelets left, so you want to snag one before they are gone forever. I will have a link for my bracelet pack in the down bar below. But oh my gosh, let me give you a hotel room tour because this is potentially the cutest hotel I've ever stayed at. Okay, we've got Snackos. Oh no, wait, what is this? Liquid IV. Ooh, okay. For Revival, I have yet to go to Coachella and not get sick after. Some hair stuff. Not Your Mother's hair product. My bracelet pack. Oh my gosh, so much. Oh my god, this is so cute. Is this Pura Vida too? Oh my gosh, so freaking cute. Welcome Lauren and Jeremy. Some Wata, some Snackos. Ooh, dark chocolate. Oh, with almonds. Can't eat that. Okay. Cool salsa. Verde. Didn't learn Spanish in high school. Okay, ready? You're not ready. And ow! Oh my gosh, the cutest palm wall with a gold bed, pink pillow, and then also these are integral for your survival at Coachella. What are you? Oh, is this a towel thingy? I'm so excited. Ooh, this is cute. What this? Okay, some matcha stuff. Don't really know how to use that, but we can figure that out later. Thou shalt not knock thy hustle. True. Okay, also bathroom is so freaking cute. This is literally the cactus decal that I have on my wall at home. Fierce and fabulous. This hotel is so freaking cute. I can't. Is there more stuff? It's never ending. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is home for the next couple days. This hotel is so cute. So I actually found it on Airbnb before we came. I like lurked the address. I guess it's like listed on Airbnb that you just rent out the whole entire thing. It's so cute though. There's so much cute stuff. I mean, Pura Vida knows aesthetics, so not surprised. Also, I have so many bracelets on, and if you guys saw my Insta story from earlier today, they gave me so many. Oh my gosh, so cute. Also, I changed. I'm feeling more festival now. Got shorts, a belt, this little like star top, and I forget where this is from, but a little bra top. We feel like festival day one. Actually, I don't even know if this counts as day one. This is like day 0.5, I guess, and day one starts tomorrow. Good morning, guys, and happy Saturday. I have a confession to make. Yesterday was Coachella day one, and I forgot my vlog camera for every single event. So yesterday saw Blackpink, and they were so freaking good. I'm like a new Blink, I'm a new fan, and it was, oh my god, it was unreal. They were so good. Full send, full singing, full dancing, and it was so good. And then caught the last bit of 1975, and then saw a little bit of Diplo. It was so good. And then we went over to an after party. Died last night, kind of struggling still, very congested, eyes full of dust and desert, hair looking cute still, hair looking super cute. I actually did it myself. I had little space buns, if you guys saw my photo on Instagram, and they added little rings. VQ, gonna try and revive it for today, and today is Billie Eilish. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. We also are doing a little event with Beach Riot, who is like one of my favorite athleisure brands. So I think we're actually gonna be put to the test with like a workout class. I don't know if I'm in any shape to do a workout class right now, but we'll see, and I'm so excited, and I will not forget my vlog camera today. Day 2. Oh my gosh, so here's the outfit. Just found out that we are not driving to Coachella, but we are helicoptering to Coachella. The most extra thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm so excited. I haven't been on a helicopter since Hawaii, and that was my first helicopter ever, and it drops us off across the street, so we are helicoptering to Coachella. Oh my gosh, it's too much. It's also hot as balls today. The whole Pura Vida squad is rolling right now to helicopters. Oh my gosh, we are strapped and oh my gosh, I just like, everything feels weird when it's like you're in festival attire, but also like so many buckles and stuff. Oh my gosh, that was so much fun! Headed to the festival now. We actually flew over Coachella, and it was so weird seeing from above. It was so teeny tiny. Kind of underwhelming, I'm not gonna lie, from the sky. But I'm so excited. Today is Billie Eilish and Bozzy, and there's someone else that I want to see. But anyways, I'm so excited. What is this? Oh my gosh, guys, we just squatted so hard. It's gonna be like, wow, I'm crazy, I'm so sweaty. Literally, we have the biggest squat. I'm so excited, Billie! currently at Revolve Festival, which is literally basically its own festival in itself. Like they have performers all day. There's like swings in front of me right now. I've got a Jack Sparrow parade happening down here. I am in and out. Honestly, do I even need to go to Coachella today? I'm just like kind of angry because I can feel myself getting sick again. I don't think I fully recovered from last week, and I'm just like, I'm back. I'm sick again. Again, I'm gonna sue my body. Like I don't want this immune system anymore, and I would like a new one immediately. But anyways, life is good. I've got In-N-Out Burger as just like fuel for today. But Ariana Grande is tonight. Also, I have a major dilemma because Game of Thrones premieres tonight, the final season, and I'm not watching it, and I'm so upset. And like, I wish I could filter out the spoilers that I know are gonna be on Twitter tonight while we're at Coachella, but honestly, I think it's like 6 o'clock. I think it's happening as we speak right now. So I'm just gonna have to take a Twitter strike, I think, until tomorrow night when I get home and watch it. I'm stressed about it. Guys, look how cute this is. Okay, so I'm sitting in the shade right now so I can eat my burger, but this is over here, this big stage that way, but cute.
Still early in the morning, feeling kinda lonely. She's taken off already, didn't really got to know me. I bet but now it really doesn't matter. Remember last night when we had some fun together? Yeah, I'm a hunter, and I told my friends I want her. I posted up and started off a first encounter. That girl is a stunner, and every other dude was trying to get a number. I said, hey, and you've been waiting for me all night. She said, hey, now I don't wanna waste more time. I said, let's hit the bar, I'm pouring up a shot, and then I wanna know if you're ready or not. She said, hey, now come on, show me what you got.
Oh my gosh, Moose! Hello, Moose. Oh my god, guys, I'm dying. I'm actually dead. This is my deathbed. Death has called, and it's my time. Oh my gosh. Okay, so like, I know that I get sick every year after Coachella. I know it's like a given. Like, usually you just cough up a little bit of desert when you get back, like have a few nosebleeds. It's chill. But I don't know if you remember when I was sick maybe 3 weeks ago, but I have fully, is it that time? Is it that time, Moose? I have fully relapsed. Oh my god, Moose, I have missed you so much. He needs you so much. He's like, just throw my freaking shark. I have relapsed so hard into a full out sinus infection, cold situation. I don't know what's going on. I'm really not in good shape. And I, thank God, have like a pretty light schedule this week. So I'm gonna go cook myself in the bathtub right now, I think. And I took some meds, so hopefully they start kicking in soon. But it was a rough drive home. I'm sorry. You're so terrible at fetch. He's gonna bark at me. Ready? It's coming. Okay, got it. We fetch on our own terms. Got it. I'm finally home. It took us 4.5 hours to get home, but this Coachella was honestly so much fun. This was hands down the best Coachella that I've ever been to. This is my 3rd year. I didn't go last year. I had a lot of FOMO, and so I definitely wanted to go this year, and it was so much fun. I spent so much time with my friends, and we danced. And so I think I'm actually dying. I think this is it. Moose, I'm so sorry. You're gonna just have to go live with grandma, I think. And a huge shout out to Pure Vita for treating me to the most amazing weekend ever. They took such good care of us, and the girls were so nice. Like, they're all so cool, and like free spirit travel girls, and like, I don't know, I feel like they were so nice. A lot of them already knew each other from going on trips before, but they were so nice and so welcoming into their friend group, which was so sweet. So I had such a good time with that crew, and the performers were so good. Billie Eilish was freaking amazing. Ariana Grande was so amazing. Blackpink, so amazing. Oh my gosh, holy crap. They were the first people I saw, and I died. I straight died. Their performance was so good. So end of Coachella 2019. Time to cut the wristband off. Time to say goodbye. And also, I still have packs of the laurDIY Pure Vita bracelet set on. I'm wearing just like a whole wrist full of them. This one's for my set and a few other ones in here, but there's just like a whole cluster of bracelets happening here. But if you want to shop the Pure Vita laurDIY collab pack, I'll have a link for that in the down bar below. So that is it for the vlog. I hope this was a fun recap. I honestly have no idea what I filmed over this past weekend. Totally missed day 1. Know that, and absolutely know that for sure. I don't know, so we'll see how the edit comes out, because I really was just like focusing on having fun and, you know, taking, you know, some stuff for Insta stories for you guys to see like as it was happening, so you didn't have to wait for the vlog. If you're not following me on Instagram, all of those Coachella stories will be on a highlight, and I'm already so excited for Coachella 2020. This was the best year, hands down. I had so much fun. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Pray for my health. If you don't see me this Sunday, it's because I died and I didn't finish this week's video. So that'll be fun. I'm gonna go roast myself, hopefully back to health in the bathtub, and just get all of this, you know, Coachella grime off of me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday Why Do I Was It for the weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys, love you.